Hey, what's up? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another video. So hey, shout out to everybody returning to the channel, the Soul Squad. That's what I'm gonna call y'all right now. Thank you for coming back to the channel. Thanks for all the support you've given me in the past by sharing the videos, commenting, liking, all of that. It is greatly appreciated. Those of you that are new checking out the channel, and I might get a couple new eyes because of this shoe that I'm about to drop right here. I might get a couple new eyes. Hey, welcome to the channel. Again, I'm TheWiseSole. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up if you're down with the channel. Hey, those of you that have been here, make sure you're also subscribed to the channel. Hey, we don't just need the new people subscribing. I want everybody to subscribe. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button again, the notification bell, and give the video a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Hopefully everybody's having a good week so far. We're on the way to the weekend. It is Friday. But I'm going to stop rambling because I know what y'all here for. We're going to go ahead and get into the shoe. But before I do that, one more thing. Don't forget, you can also follow your boy on Instagram, which is down below in the description. And it's also on the page. You know I'm going to throw it up here somewhere because that's what I do. So, if you've seen the thumbnail, you probably already know what shoe this is. But let me just go ahead and give you a quick look here at the box. As you see, we have a standard black box here with the Kobe Bryant Mamba logo, also with his signature down here below. Get a quick look at that. So this shoe right here, I actually got exclusive access on Sneakers app, and your boy never gets access to anything. I mean, I got something like 9 months ago, but it was like some clothing, and you know, I don't really get stuff like this. So yeah, it was kind of a big deal. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now, exclusive access is real on the Sneakers app. It happens to regular people. Just look at your boy. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and read the box to you before I go ahead and get into the shoe, because you know that's what your boy does over here. You know we gotta make sure to read that box. So right here I have the Kobe 6 Protro, color spectrum, green apple, black, volt, crimson. Size 12, which is your boy's size. Retail price of $180 US. And as you know, as I like to do, I'm gonna make sure we get that focus right there so you guys can see it there on the camera. And here you are, the Kobe 6 Protro Grinch. So first off, let me just say, like I said earlier, I'm excited and juiced to actually get this shoe here in hand. It's a shoe that, as I said before in my other videos, you know I like loud shoes like this. So this shoe here debuted Christmas Day 2010, Lakers versus Miami Heat. I want to say, if I remember correctly, the Heat actually won that game. But the thing that I remembered from that game is it was this shoe. Like LeBron had the LeBron 8 Christmas shoe out, but this Kobe 6 Grinch shoe just stood out. And I wasn't able to get the shoe back in 2010 for whatever reason. It was crazy. I remember, I want to say Kobe definitely had it on, obviously. And I want to say Lamar Odom was rocking this shoe also. And you couldn't help but just look at this shoe because it stood out. And like I said, it was a loud shoe. It was just crazy. Like I just kept watching that game like, what is Kobe wearing? Like that shoe is ridiculous. So it always like had a place where I was like, I want to get this shoe. And obviously the resale value on the original shoe is sky high for a size 12. I want to say it was up to $1,000. So for me to be able to cop the Protro version of this shoe for retail, I am grateful for that. And I'm excited about that. Let me go ahead and get a little close here so you guys can take a look at that. So as you see on the shoe here, you kind of have that reptile snake skin mimicking on the shoe here, which sticks to Kobe's alter ego, the Black Mamba. It kind of gives you that reptile snake skin, you know, feel to the shoe. It feels good. It's definitely a lightweight shoe. I would only imagine hooping in this shoe right now would be amazing. I don't really hoop no more, so I'm not going to be hooping in this shoe. But I guarantee you, if you were playing basketball right now, you probably want to rock something like this. So looking a little bit deeper into the shoe here, you definitely see the green apple colorway dominating the most part of the shoe. You have that Volt colorway here on the shoelaces and on the tongue of the shoe. Let's go ahead and get that quick here if you can see that. The lighting in this room is kind of bright right now. Also, you see right there, you have the Mamba logo on the tongue of the shoe. Also, you have Kobe's signature on the heel of the shoe. The outsole, you have a darker green apple color leading up, blending to a lighter green apple Volt colorway on the outsole of the shoe. I think this is definitely a dope touch. Also leads to the black Nike swoosh standing out here on the shoe. The shoe also comes with a spare pair of laces, the red laces. I would definitely throw the red laces in with this shoe. Definitely going with the Christmas vibes with the red laces here. This Grinch green apple colorway, obviously it's to symbolize the Grinch who stole Christmas. Shout out to Dr. Seuss. You know, everybody grew up on Dr. Seuss, and you know, we know about the Grinch, and you know, hey, Jim Carrey should have won an Oscar for the Grinch. Don't at me. Anyway, back to the shoe. Again, this shoe is dope here. If you go ahead and look actually on the sock liner of the shoe, and you feel the sock liner, it kind of has that memory foam feeling. I believe that's kind of what's in the shoe here. The memory foam, it feels very soft. I can only imagine, like I said, this shoe is definitely going to go ahead and grip to your foot. As far as the sizing goes, if I remember correctly, Kobe shoes usually fit a little snug, so you might need to go half a size up or full size depending on what kind of foot you have. But if you do choose to go true to size, it's not going to be where you can't wear the shoe. Again, these are performance shoes meant to play basketball, so when you're out there hooping, you definitely want a snug fit on your foot. So hey, you might want to go true to size if you're going to be hooping. If you're going to be walking around casually, maybe half a size up if that's what you're going to do with this shoe. So like I said, I got exclusive access. I believe it was on Tuesday. I was shocked. I was actually in a meeting at work, got the notification, and I ordered it and I copped it. One thing I did like about this is Nike actually sent the box and it didn't have any Nike branding on that. So shout out to Nike to get rid of that Nike branding. You know, we was a little worried our packages was getting taken out here. So, you know, shout out to Nike for that. So again here, both shoes here, just so you have it, your left and your right shoe. Again, the Volt on the tongue, the Volt on the laces, green apple colorway. Shout out to the Grinch. This shoe is definitely a shoe you want to keep. If you're a Kobe fan, this is definitely a shoe you want to have in your collection. Hell, if you are a sneaker fanatic, a basketball fan altogether, this Kobe 6 Grinch is definitely a shoe you should definitely have in your collection. I'm going to go ahead and give you my score on the TheWiseSole scale. 1 to 7 scale, you guys know how I do. I'm going to give the Kobe 6 Grinch a 6 out of 7. This means, hey, sneakerheads, sneaker fans out there, you need to cop this shoe. You need to do whatever you have to do to cop this shoe at retail. Nike, you should make this shoe readily available for a lot of people because a lot of Kobe fans are going through it this year, especially with the sneakers releasing. Get this sneaker out there to as many fans and as many people as possible. Again, this shoe retails for $180 US. I don't know the stock amount of how many shoes are going to be out there. Check your local Chics, because I know out here in California, Chic is doing raffles out here. So a lot of stores aren't getting these. Obviously, Sneakers app is going to be your main option as far as trying to actually cop this shoe. But hopefully everybody out there who wants this shoe is able to cop this shoe. Let your boy know down in the comments below, will you be going for the Grinch? Again, this shoe releases Thursday, December 24th for a retail price of $180 US. Your best bet will probably be Sneakers app, but again, check some of your local stores out there to see if they'll be getting this shoe in. Like I said, I know in California, at least the malls close to me, I know Chic will be getting it. So if you have a Chic near you, check that store out to see if you can get in the raffle so you can win one of these shoes. Again, I'm excited to have this shoe in the collection. Like I said, I remember from 2010, the shoe definitely stood out on foot. So I'm happy that I finally have it here in my hands, and I will definitely cherish this shoe. So again, thanks for tuning into the channel. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Again, let me know in the comments, will you be picking up the Kobe 6 Protro Grinch? If you will, let your boy know. Hopefully, again, everybody gets these W's. So for the Kobe 6 Grinch, you got your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.